Hey JVs, no time to waste. Here's why promoting our upcoming launch is the best idea since sliced bread. Spin Rewriter is the world's most advanced and best-selling article spinning tool, and we've been around since 2011, which means we've learned a thing or two in the process. Since 2011, Spin Rewriter alone has brought in over $10.4 million in sales, and much more importantly than that, we've already paid out more than $4.8 million to our awesome affiliates, which is you guys, and you guys are just the best. For this upcoming launch, we'll be paying out 50% recurring commissions on every single product in our entire funnel, forever. You really do just promote us once and you'll be making money for months and years to come. On top of the 50% recurring lifetime commissions, we'll also be running a sweet JV contest with more than $10,000 in prizes, ranging from a hotel stay in the Maldives and airfare around the world to the brand new iPhones, iPads, Kindles, and more. Of course, there's no minimums on any of the prizes, because we know you guys are amazing and we're super confident that we'll convert like crazy for you. Now, lower on this page, you'll find our extremely profitable and time-proven funnel for the upcoming launch, which lets you make over $160 for every single front-end sign-up that you send our way. Over the past 9 years, we've run 184 split tests on our funnel, and as a result, our affiliates are now seeing EPCs that are through the roof. Now, this all sounds good and well, but what are some of the biggest names in our industry saying about us? Let's take a look.
I've promoted Spin Rewriter several times and made nearly $10,000 in commissions. The product is rock solid, the service on the back end to your customers is fantastic. So as an affiliate, you can make great money and be assured that your customers are getting well looked after when you're promoting Spin Rewriter. Love the guys there, they really look after their software and their people, and of course their affiliates.
I started promoting Spin Rewriter back in the early days when you first launched it, I think. And so I've been promoting it throughout all the versions, and it keeps getting better all the time. And I don't just promote it to my list, I also use it myself in my own business. And I find that actually it is probably the best product in the market for what it does.
Aaron has just closed out a very profitable 5-figure promo for one of my products, and I've had the pleasure of also promoting him. He puts 110% into absolutely everything that he does. So if you have an opportunity to jump on one of his launches or promote one of his products or just work with him, then I highly recommend that you do so.
The thing that I was blown away with most from Spin Rewriter, apart from it being a fantastic product, was how well it was put together, how well it was supported, how professional the setup behind it was, and just how supportive Aaron was in helping me promote it and get it integrated with Fresh Start Builder. Since then, I promoted it on several different launches of his, and I continue to promote it internally. And his affiliate program is fantastic, it's generous, it's recurring, and I've made a lot of money through Aaron, but more importantly, my customers are happy with him, and that's what it's all about. Thank you to Aaron as well for supporting me on my product launches. He always sends a lot of traffic, and he always does really well. And he's always on the leaderboard for my launches as I am for his. So thanks very much, Aaron, and best of luck with your launch. See you soon.
Okay, so as these awesome guys have told you, we take great care of our affiliates. And this is why we've got professionally crafted email swipes, videos and banners all ready and waiting for you. We've also got a collection of 6 high-value bonuses that you can use as your own bonus package. And lower on this page, you'll even find a video with instructions and 4 specific tips that will make our upcoming launch an easy 5-figure promo for you. Now, most importantly, due to the quality of our product and our offer, your subscribers will actually love you for telling them about Spin Rewriter. So this is all pretty cool, right? Lower on this page, you'll also hear from some other big names in our industry, such as Chris Munch, Ricky Matejka, Simon Greenhalgh, and Chris Winners, and they'll all tell you something else as well. We always reciprocate, and lower on this page, you'll find just some examples of the kind of heat that we're going to bring to your future launches as well. So join us for the big Spin Rewriter 11 launch on the 11th of November. That's version 11 on 11/11, and let's make a lot of people very happy together. Sign up below and have a great day.